Like in Story View, when you select the File tab, a pop-up window will appear, and you will have the ability to select various actions, including opening a new file, opening an existing file saved on your hard drive, translating the language in your lesson to a different language or dialect, importing either a portion of a lesson or an entire lesson into this file, saving the file with its current name, or saving it with a different file name, printing the lesson as a Word document, sending the file to someone in an email, publishing the file as a viewable document or lesson, or closing the file. You also can directly open a new file without searching for it on the right side of the window. Finally, there are two options at the bottom of the window we failed to mention in the Story View video. They are Options and Exit Storyline. Options will allow you to create rules for auto-saving the lesson you are working on and setting up your spelling check rules, while Exit Storyline will close out of not only the lesson you are working on, but out of the entire Storyline application.